Hello and welcome back to another quick tutorial with your instructional coach, Leslie Johnson. So today we're going to talk about co-teachers and inviting people. As you can see here, I have been invited in this particular classroom. So that is exciting, right? All I have to do is click that accept or decline. So how do you do that? When you're in your classroom, and I'm going to hold the control key to open it in a new tab, just so I don't lose my classroom tab. Here on the People tab is where you find all of that. So right now I'm the only teacher. If I wanted to add anyone, I can do that. And now I know it says type a name or an email. Excuse me. You are better off typing an email because if I typed like Nick Thomas, nothing's going to be there. Well, that's probably not good. Even if I did Nicholas, it's still not going to go. But if I do N Thomas, he's in one of my other classes, so I could then just invite him. Now, this is not a real class, so I'm not going to do that. Same for students, it's the same process. And when you do it that way, that's when your students get this accept button. So as soon as I click accept, it's going to automatically make me a co-teacher in this class, and I can check who all the people are, and I can see that Mr. Avila has invited his students and he's invited his co-teachers as well. So if that's something that you need to do, that's the way to do it. All right, if you have any other questions or suggestions, please let me know, and thanks so much for watching.